Hello students, welcome to AJ Akshara Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss Cbse chapter 10, that is light chapter. First, can you see the objects in the dark? No. In the presence of light, you can see the objects clearly. So, what is light? Light is a form of energy. What is energy? Capacity of doing work is called energy. So, what is light? Light is a form of energy which causes sensation of vision. Which causes sensation of vision. Okay. Next, what is reflection? The phenomenon of throwing back of light or bouncing back of light is known as reflection. The phenomenon of bouncing back of light is known as reflection. Now first in this what we discussed, light. Light is a form of energy which causes sensation of vision. And next topic, reflection. The phenomenon of bouncing back of light or the phenomenon of throwing back of light is known as reflection. Next, in this there are two kinds of reflections. One is a regular reflection. One is a regular reflection, and the second one is irregular reflection. One is regular reflection, second one is irregular reflection. Now suppose we are taking a plane mirror. This is a reflecting surface. This is a silvered part. Now we are taking light ray or incident rays. Light ray or incident ray. Whenever the light ray falls on the reflected surface, all the light rays are or all the incident rays are parallel after reflection. This is the phenomenon of regular reflection. So in regular reflection or during regular reflection, all the incident rays are parallel after reflection. Okay, understood? In regular reflection, all these are the incident rays. These are the reflected rays. This arrow indicates the direction of the rays. So these incident rays are striking the reflected surface at the point of incidence and they are reflected. So these are parallel to the incident rays. Their distances are equal. So that's why in regular reflection all the incident rays are parallel after reflection. Here we'll write the definition for regular reflection. During regular reflection, all the incident rays are parallel after reflection. This regular reflection occurs on plain smooth surface. So we'll write the definition. During regular reflection, all the incident rays are parallel after reflection. All the incident rays are parallel after reflection. Okay. What is regular reflection? During regular reflection, these are the incident rays. These are the reflected rays. They are bouncing back. So, incident rays are parallel after reflection. This is about the regular reflection. Regular reflection occurs on plain smooth surface. Okay, next. Coming to irregular reflection. Irregular reflection. During irregular reflection, all the incident rays do not parallel after reflection. This is the rough surface. Irregular reflection occurs on rough surface. They are emerges out. They are not parallel. These are the incident rays. They are striking the reflected surface at the point of incidence and they are reflected or they are parallel. See here, observe this below figure. These are not parallel to the incident rays. So, during irregular reflection, all the incident rays are not parallel after reflection. Irregular reflection occurs on rough surfaces. This indicates rough surface. This indicates rough surface. So, during irregular reflection, these are the incident rays, these are the reflector rays. Incident rays, these are the reflected rays. During irregular reflection, all the incident rays not parallel after reflection. This is about the irregular reflection. In regular reflection, what we discussed, they are parallel. In irregular reflection, incident rays are not parallel after reflection. During irregular reflection, all the incident rays are not parallel to the reflected rays. Or we can write during irregular reflection, all the incident rays are not parallel after reflection. Okay. Next, come to this laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. This is very important topic. First one is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That is, angle I is equal to angle R. I denotes the angle of incidence and R denotes the angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. That is, in mathematically we are writing, that is, in symbolical representation, angle I is equals to angle R. Suppose this is the plane mirror and it is a polished surface, and we are taking the one incident ray, that is light ray. We are drawing the normal, that is normal nothing but a perpendicular line drawn at the point of incidence is known as normal. Now we are drawing the normal nothing but perpendicular line. So this is the incident ray and this is the normal. After reflection, this is a reflected ray. Here the angle between incident ray and the normal is known as angle of incidence, and angle between reflected ray and the normal is known as angle of reflection. So as per the first law of reflection, angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. Angle I is equals to angle R. What is I? Angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is the angle between incident ray and normal. This line indicates incident ray and this indicates normal, and this line, ray of light, represents reflected ray. So angle of reflection is angle between normal and reflected ray is known as angle of reflection. Next, second law of reflection. Incident ray, reflected ray, incident ray, reflected ray and normal at the point of incidence all should lie in the same plane. Incident ray, reflected ray and normal at the point of incidence, all should lie in the same plane. All should lie in the same plane. This is about the laws of reflection. First one is angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection, that is angle I is equals to angle R. The second one is incident ray, reflected ray and normal at the point of incidence all should lie in the same plane. This is about the second law.